Hey heat printers, and welcome back to the channel. I'm Mia, and today I have 3 super easy last minute holiday gift ideas that you can press and personalize using Transfer Express heat transfers. These are perfect whether you're making gifts for customers, family, or for holiday pop-ups. So if you're ready to take your holiday gift game to the next level, keep on watching. We're starting with something fun, cozy, and super on trend, a puff holiday hoodie. Puff adds instant dimension, a really premium look, and presses just as easily as a standard screen printed transfer. Puff is great for holiday gifts because the big, bold texture feels premium. It's great for winter designs and is perfect for monogram, holiday designs, or names. It also presses in just 8 seconds. For our examples today, we're going to be using our Hotronix Fusion with the 16x20 platen. Now with our puff hoodie, we're going to go ahead and use this Slay puff transfer and print it on the back of the hoodie. When printing the back of hoodies, you want to make sure that you go at least 6 inches down from the top seam because you don't want your design to be covered by the hood. So we're going to go ahead and pre-press. This is just going to remove any moisture or wrinkles from the garment. We're going to press for about 4 seconds. Now for our puff transfers, we have the temperature set at 340. We're gonna do a medium to firm pressure for 8 seconds. So I'm gonna go ahead and lay our transfer out. Now we press. Puff is a hot peel, so once we remove it from underneath the heat, we're gonna go ahead and peel the transfer. Look at that texture. The puff raised beautifully. This is going to be perfect for holiday designs like snowflakes, block lettering, gingerbread graphics, or family names. One hoodie, one press, and you've got a gift that looks retail ready. Next up, a winter accessory that always surprises people, a custom scarf. If you're looking for a holiday gift that's personal and practical, then scarves are perfect. They're cozy, lightweight, and super easy to press. For this example, we're gonna be using one of our Goof Proof transfers. It's ultra durable, is a hot peel, presses in just 4 seconds, and works beautifully with cotton and cotton poly blends. For our scarf example, I'm just gonna drape it right across the platen here. Make sure that our little tassels are hanging off so we have even pressure. I'm gonna go ahead and pre-press it for 4 seconds. Now for this one, we're gonna use a little M monogram, and this is a Goof Proof transfer. I'm gonna lay it right on the little red part here at the bottom. I'm just holding the tassels here to make sure it doesn't slide off the platen. We're gonna press at 365 with medium pressure for 4 seconds. Now Goof Proof is a hot peel, so we're gonna go ahead and remove that carrier. This is such a clean and a classic personalization option. Scarves are great teacher gifts, gifts for coworkers, or just stocking stuffers. And the best part, you can press a whole stack in just minutes. Last but definitely not least, a holiday tote bag. This one is going to be great for any holiday pop-up shops or just roaming around holiday markets. These always sell because they work double duty. They can serve as a reusable gift and as packaging for another gift. They press fast, they're great for personalization, and they're perfect for gifting baked goods, books, mini presents, or even the hoodie that we pressed earlier. For our tote bag, I'm just gonna drape it right over the side of the platen here. Make sure that I don't have the metal part or any seams on the platen, just so I have even pressure. We're gonna go ahead and pre-press the bag. For our design, we're going to use this cute little Goof Proof naughty or nice design. Now, typically Goof Proof applies in 4 seconds when we're using single color designs. Because this one is multicolor, they're both blue, but they're just different shades of blue, which counts as 2 different colors. We're going to press it for 10 seconds. So I'm just gonna lay out my design right in the middle of the tote bag. If you're doing names or monogram designs, you can either do center designs or off-center designs to give it more of a minimal look. Now that our transfer is laid out, we're gonna go ahead and press for 10 seconds, medium pressure with a temperature of 365. Now Goof Proof is a hot peel, so we're gonna go ahead and remove that carrier. This is instantly adorable and such a cost-effective holiday gift. These are awesome gifts for your loved ones, but if you're headed to the holiday pop-ups, here are a few tips to help you sell during the holiday rush. Always keep a few blank hoodies, totes, and scarves on hand. Offer personalization. Names and initials are always going to sell instantly. Display your finished samples. People want to buy what they can see. You can also mix and match these items to create small holiday bundles. And that wraps up our 3 last-minute holiday gift ideas using Transfer Express heat transfers, a puff hoodie, a personalized scarf, and a holiday tote. They're quick to press, easy to personalize, and look absolutely amazing. If you want to start creating your own holiday lineup, head to transferexpress.com today to start designing. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe down below if you haven't already, and turn on that bell notification so that you never miss an upload from us. Until next time, happy heat printing and happy holidays.